Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Skrill account number. Having your account number ready is often important for receiving payments, linking to other services, or verifying your identity. If you use Skrill, you may be trying to locate the exact account number in your dashboard. So in order to find your account number, launch open the Skrill application on your device and log into your account. Once logged in, go ahead and look for the profile icon at the top left corner from the home page. From your profile section, you will see a customer ID option. Your customer ID will be your account number on Skrill. You can now write down the number in a safe place. Make sure not to share sensitive login credentials to anyone, and only share your account number when necessary for receiving funds. So that is how you will be able to find your account number on Skrill account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.